Hi, my name is Omar Martin, and it's important that you watch this short video till the very last frame. As a matter of fact, it might be the most important video you ever watch. Now, don't freak out. I know that sounds cheesy, and if I was listening to something like that a few years ago, I probably would have ran for the hills. But pay close attention, because I really do mean that. As a matter of fact, this could be one of those times in your life that divides everything. This is my testimonial for John Thornhill's Partnership to Success program. Here's what I mean by dividing everything. In our life, there are events that are so big, so important, that they literally divide time. And everything that happens in your life becomes something that happened before that or after that. A marriage, for example. Everything becomes either something that happened before you got married or after. When you think back at things, you say, oh yeah, that was before I got married. Or you think back at something, you say, yeah, that was after we bought our house. Or, oh, that was before we had kids. Again, such big, important anchors in our life that they literally divide time. And investing in John Thornhill's coaching was one of those times that divided my life. It was one of the most important decisions I'd ever made. Today, we have $1 million company. My wife, Melinda, it sounds crazy even saying that. My wife, Melinda, and I, right out of our home here in Palm Bay, Florida, have built $1 million company. We average $10,000 a week in income online. And that is because we've built a business by following the steps that John taught us in his coaching program. It's one of the best investments you'll ever make. Now, we had to work our ass off. So it's not like you're buying a lottery ticket here or something. It's a proven method. John taught me step by step exactly what I needed to do in order to change my life. And I'll tell you, it was hard work because I had a full-time job. Like most families in America, my wife and I were working. We had good paying jobs, but we were up to our eyeballs in debt. As a matter of fact, when John first launched his coaching program, I'm not embarrassed to admit it anymore, we were broke and we couldn't even afford to pay our rent. I remember calling my wife into the room and saying, honey, I know we don't have enough money to pay the rent right now, but we should take the money that we do have for the rent and we should invest it into this coaching program. And she looked at me like, what, are you crazy? And I said, yeah, because if we invest in this coaching program and follow these steps, we'll build a business, we'll be successful, and we won't have to worry about money anymore. Now, I remember coming home after 10 hours a day of work at my full-time job, and I would come home and I would work all night, man. I'd be on my computer watching John's training videos that he would send us, and I'd be communicating with him, and I'd be following all his steps and building my product, building my blog, driving traffic, and doing everything that he explained in the training. I really worked hard. I even worked weekends in order to make sure that I got it done, and it didn't happen overnight. It took me a while, and we didn't make $1 million our first year in business, but I'll tell you what, little by little, it all built up. And over the course of the last 5 years, we've made over $3 million online. We've got over 60,000 customers in our subscriber base. We've paid out over $1 million in affiliate commissions to our 2,800 affiliate partners that we have. So we've built quite a successful business. We've effectively removed the factor of money from the equation of our lives. And that's because we worked hard and we simply followed John's steps. We followed his training. I think one of the most valuable pieces of the puzzle is that joining John's coaching, it was much more than just like joining a training program or like going to school or something like that. We joined a community. I'll tell you, it's like a family. Becoming a partner to success, it means that you're part of a tightly knit group of people that helps one another. Inside of this group, we support one another's launches, we promote for each other, we help each other break through barriers. It really is a family, and you just don't get that anywhere. You don't get that from college, that's for sure. I'm somebody that paid a lot of money to go to college and grad school. I have an education in medicine, and I'll tell you, it truly was a waste when you think about it, because after you're done paying all of that money and investing all of those years and years and years and years of your life into college, they don't guarantee you anything. You don't walk out of there with a business. With John Thornhill's Partnership to Success, you are actually getting the action steps, things that are working right now. You're going to be following them to build a business that's going to start making you money. If you're willing to do the work, and again, this isn't like a get-rich-quick thing. You've got to be willing to work like I was, like Melinda was, and like the entire family inside the Partnership to Success community. I'll tell you, you can really make all your dreams come true. This can be the event that divides your life. And you owe it to yourself and your family to take action right now on this page, Find a way to make it happen. Make this investment. Like I said, for me, I literally had to use my rent money back in the day. But if I didn't have that rent, I would have borrowed it. I would have done whatever it takes, because it's made all the difference in my life, and it can make all the difference in your life. You could be on a testimonial video like this. All you've got to do is take action right now and put in the work. I hope to meet you inside of the community, inside of the forum, inside of the group. I hope to help support you and basically promote your launch when you create your product through John Thornhill's Partnership to Success program. Take action, and I'll see you inside. Take care.